Hi, Charmaine from Smarter Selling. Today's topic is business development and leads. So your lead may have come to you from a friend or from an exhibition or conference or online form or phone call or an email. However the lead come to you, the key thing with leads is this: timing. So you think about it from the customer's point of view. At that particular moment, they were thinking about some pain and thinking that your solution could potentially be the solution that's going to help them. There's no point you calling back 4 days later or even 5 hours. You need to be on that the moment that comes in. So ideally, if that came in to you at some time, within 45 minutes, you want to be on the phone making that phone call back to them to find out about how you can potentially help them with that situation they've got. So the key thing with leads is timing. So think about it like this: leads are hot business waiting for you to convert. If you found that tip useful, then do share. And if you'd like to make a comment, then do so below. And if you want more tips on how to grow your business fast, what to do with leads, how to find business growth, then subscribe below. This is Charmaine from Smarter Selling. Until next time.